Now on 3S. It's bashing time! Okay, you go on 1, we go on 3. Okay?
That's not fair.
1, 2, 3.
Where are we going?
Whoa! Whoa! On the yes, yeah! You lost steering? Yeah. And the winner is? Yeah. Always in control. We're doing the walk of shame all the way up to the truck. You talking to yourself again?
Yeah, had a rock stuck in it. And
Oh, you had a rock?
What is it, an HPI or something?
Yeah, you get that on HPI.
See that split because he's set?
Man, it ripped. I think I accidentally went up a few teeth when I did my mod
Oh yeah?
spurt change, because it was not that fast before. Oh, too much. Full throttle, full throttle.
Me too. Me too. Me too. Whoa! I shouldn't have braked like that. Stock gearing, stock VXL.
Nice.
Oh, here comes a short course truck. So John's driving the SC10 short course truck. It is very smooth, yes. It's very light, very smooth truck. And here comes Seb with the granite. Full spin, full speed ahead. Oh, turn, buddy, turn. Did you fall?
I tried to jump along. I almost made it.
What? Not moving anymore. Your truck?
Yeah, it might be over. Whew, she's cooking. Yeah. I have to leave that a minute.
Need a fan on that
Ow.
thing. Where's your temp gun?
Yeah. Yeah, this is an original brushed mega truck, and then I've changed the whole power system to put in the TRAXXAS brushless, changed the servo, and then recently I've put in the new the brushless slipper clutch system, which also changes the teeth size. Yeah, it changes the teeth.
Oh, cool.
So I've accidentally gone up in teeth, which it's now overheating.
Touch it, it's really hot.
No, don't touch that.
Yeah.
You gotta burn your finger.
Same.
So now Sebastien has the police come on this side, so we can.
I slowed down because the truck went.
Yeah, and there. Good job. That was a weird flip, but it was successful. Oh, over the tree stump.
Oh, I did it.
We can do 3 turns?
Sure.
First to 3?
First to 3.
You gotta marshal your own if you flip.
Yeah, if you flip, you got to go marshal your own. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, sabotage.
Whoa, losing control. Oh, hits the cone.